Hi, this is Becca, and I'm going to show you how to make this dahlia. This one is made with text weight metallic paper and cactus flower archival ink. This is made out of regular cardstock that you could buy at Hobby Lobby and Tea Rose archival ink. I'm going to make the next one out of violet archival ink. You're going to need two dowels. I'm using paintbrushes. One's smaller than the other one. You're going to need a hot glue gun. I'm using an ultra low temp hot glue gun. That way you don't burn yourself. A rolling mat. I'm using the Heartfelt Creations mat, and I'm using the largest ball and the second largest ball. You're going to want to cut out 3 of the large size, 3 of the medium size, and 1 of each of the 3 small sizes. You're going to want 2 centers. And so first off, you're going to want to grab a piece of cardstock so you do not get your desk all dirty. You're going to take your ink. There's a lot of different ways that you could do the ink. This one, I just did the tips. This one, I did most of the petal, I just didn't do the center. This one, I'm going to do just the center. You want the ink far enough out on the petals where you can see it as you stack the petals when you glue them together. Repeat with all sizes. Next, you're going to want to roll the leaves, or the petals, so they have a more realistic look. I'm rolling them up around the dowel. So they're going to face up on the side that you have the ink. You do not have to get the ink perfect. The imperfections actually will make it look more realistic. Repeat with all sizes. When you get to the 3 smaller ones, I go down to the smaller paintbrush. For the 2 centers, you are going to curl them in. So grab them at the tip and just roll. You're now going to grab your rolling mat. For the use the largest ball on the largest petals. Then I move down to the smaller ball for the rest of the petals. Repeat for this 2 centers. I like to curl the centers in a little bit more to make sure they're nice and closed, because they do tend to open up a little bit. Okay. I like to flip my flower over and then just take the top one off and glue it. You're going to alternate the petals so they're not stacked directly on top of each other. For the center, you're going to stack one inside the other before you glue it into the flower. Make sure the petals are alternated. Now you just glue it into the center. And you have a beautiful dahlia.